Cooking is more than necessity, it's an experience that simulates the sense, creativity, and when brought to life through experience, reaches new heights. The visual is great, but food is not just about the ingredients or the techniques, it's about connections. It's about bringing people together in every culture. Food holds a central role. It is there or therefore therefore celebrations, comfort and love, and when that is translated into the cooking, the voiceover. Oh, very good. Every dish tells a story from the first flicker of hot heat under a pan to the final garnish garnish placed just so each step is part of a greater narrative. It's so beautiful. Okay, okay, zoom, zoom, zoom. Okay, ready, do fast. I'm so angry. Okay, I'm so angry. Okay, beautiful. Voice long. Wow, this sounds so satisfaction. That is can only mean one thing. Something delicious in on its way in food. This sound is amplified, almost like it fills the kitchen with warmth, bringing a sense of comfort and anticipation. Every clink of a spoon, every rising the surface of a sound is not in the sympathy of the cooking process. Cooking is more than a necessity, it is an experience that simulates the sense, creativity, and when brought to life through animation, that experience reaches new heights in the visual bright and to capture the sense of food in the way larger than life. Wow, wow, super food. Think about the greatest food moments in the magical in the world. The simply yet deeply moving from an old food are the sweet treats made the love in a bakery like any food. Okay, ready the cake, different cake, the cream always is ready. Okay, these are moments that grateful that say with us not just becomes of how delicious the food looks, but because of what they remind us that food is love, food is life. Okay, yes, life finish cake, my cake is so glamour.